What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're talking about how to install LUTs into Adobe Premiere Pro on the Mac operating system. This is going to be an extremely quick video, so make sure you're paying attention, and without further ado, let's hop right in. First, open up two Finder windows. Have your LUTs on one side, so I have all my drone LUTs right here, and then have a other Finder window open with your applications. Click on Adobe Premiere Pro 2022, right click on the application itself, go to Show Package Contents, Lumetri, LUTs, Creative, and this is the folder where you're going to want to copy all those cube files into. So right now I already have my LUTs in here, but why don't I just go ahead and delete all these for demonstration purposes and copy the LUTs back in there. So here they are here. I'm just gonna hold Shift to select all of them, Command C and Command V to copy and paste those in, and your password if you need to. And that is pretty much it. Once you have all your LUTs in this specific folder, make sure to relaunch Premiere Pro if it was already open. Let me close that. Have a clip in your timeline. Make sure you have your Lumetri color window open here on the right. If you don't see that, go to Window and then hit Lumetri color. Go down to the Creative tab, look, and you will find all your LUTs populated right here in this drop down.